Today is Sunday, April 28th. This is the 1976 Cadillac Eldorado Brake Assist Hydro Booster. And today I'm doing a video showing how this unit is properly connected and the preventative maintenance that needs to be done before installing the replacement units back into the car. So unfortunately, most people don't realize that the Hydro Booster has its own dedicated fluid circuit that facilitates the power that is delivered to the master cylinder. So the master cylinder connects to the end of the Hydro Booster here on these two threaded studs, and then the push rod pedal goes into the brake attachment linkage, and it hangs on the firewall with these mounting screws. Most importantly, what we have is three portals on the Hydro Booster that facilitates the fluid circuit that originates from the power steering pump. Yes, the power steering pump and the power steering fluid goes out of the pump and is delivered and fed into the Hydro Booster, and that's where the Hydro Booster originates its hydraulics from. As the fluid circuit continues, as the fluid circuit continues, it provides actuation to the spool valve and all of the mechanism inside of the Hydro Booster, and then exits out of the Hydro Booster and goes down to the steering gearbox. Okay, so and then there's an auxiliary portal that provides fluid dribbling back to the reservoir of the power steering pump. So the power steering pump originates our fluid pressure, delivers it to the Hydro Booster. It passes through and facilitates its kinematic motion under pressure, the fluid exits, goes down to the steering gearbox, and then goes through a long, tortuous curvature tube that provides cooling, basically almost acts like a cooling circuit, the exposed tubing that's underneath the front clip of the car, and redirects back to the power steering pump once again. Okay? When we're installing these replacement Hydro Boosters, as a function of it replacing a defective unit, we want to make sure that all of the components that comprise the fluid circuit are cleaned. That includes the hoses, the high pressure in and the redelivery, as well as the dribble hose, as well as the power steering pump. So it's best to flush the system, replace the filter, because there's a filter that goes out of the power steering pump as well, put in fresh power steering fluid, then go ahead and replace the Hydro Booster. Okay, so obviously these are original vintage calipers that have been rebuilt for the 76 Eldorado. The 76 Eldorado has 4 power disc brakes, front and rear. This is obviously the front calipers, the single monolithic single piston calipers. This is the original Delco Moraine fully restored master cylinder. Okay, and this is the original Bendix 1976 1-year only specific Hydro Booster that has the large accumulator, unlike the 77 ladder units where the accumulator is substantially smaller and the cast body of the Hydro Booster is also smaller, because what we're dealing with in 77 is the 425 smaller engine, whereas in 76 it's the last year for the very large 8.2 liter 500 cubic inch engine, and so the Hydro Booster, which was first introduced in 1976, is substantially more robust than any of the other units. So it's period correct and consistent with the specifications that you put a 76 original Hydro Booster in a 76 Cadillac Eldorado. So this is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the Eldorados from 1967 through 1978. I have 375,000 parts overall from 1959 through 1976, again through 78 for the Eldorados. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Sunday, April 18th. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.